This is what the old Climate Master look like. This is about 40 years old. This is a 2.5 ton 1973, and this is what they look like. This is the old green valves with the yellow hoses. As you can see, Goodyear hoses. They're rated about 400 psi. Water pressure WP. This is the old style couplings. This is the drain line going to a main pipe, and this is the two risers right there, the copper lines. You can see the water in and water out. This is probably 40 years old. This is the blower right there. You can see it's very rusted. The drain pan is very rusted. This is the electrical with no disconnect, just going into the wall. This is the old capacitors, old contactor, old terminal connections right here with the letters O, W, Y, and red. And they're using a black wire going to a flow switch, as you can see right there. This is the condition of these units, 40 years old. It's an old Climate Master. It's a water source unit. This is the condenser right here, and that's the compressor right there. That's the reversing valve with the solenoid coil, and that's the one is a relay, and the other one, there's a transformer, and the one in the back is, I think, is the lockout relay. One of those two is the lockout relay, and one of them is the blower. So I think this is like you see the blue wire going to the pressure switch. That's what they call a lockout relay. And that one over there is the blower relay in the back. See it right there. With the two orange wires is a blower relay. And this is what they look like when they're all together, with the hoses have been replaced here to metal. And as you can see, the blue valves, they've probably been replaced also. But that's what they look like. There's a working unit, Climate Masters, 1973.